Bitcoin money, quite all plans and purposes, has a medium-term obstruction at $119.28 in an unpretentious manner, which all things considered, is genuinely critical. BCH United States dollar exchanges closed $236.93, which truly sort of is genuinely critical, by and large, as opposed to mainstream thinking. BCH United States dollar pair exchanging above EMA 20, showing how BCH United States dollar pair exchanging above EMA 20, actually, especially in spite of prevalent thinking, in a significant way. In every practical sense, by and large, current exchanging volume of Bitcoin money for the most part really is at $97,623,378, or so they by and large thought. 04 November 2023. In this video we will commonly walk you through Bitcoin money cost examination for now, or for sort of the following week, and especially fundamentally attempt to answer these regularly, especially in a real sense, sought clarification on some things, facts, what generally is pretty certainly transient cost expectation for Bitcoin money. Especially generally is BCH an excellent speculation, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking, which especially is genuinely huge. Bitcoin money support and opposition levels and so on, by and large extremely in spite of prevalent thinking, in opposition to prevalent thinking. Yet, prior to plunging decently in every practical sense, profound into the BCH specialized examination, generally especially let us entirely discuss the reasonably truly current economic situations in an actually most certainly significant manner, which in a real sense is very critical. Market examination over the very last 24 hours, there explicitly by and large, was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the for the most part whole digital money market to $1,295,563,241,888, certainly genuinely in spite of mainstream thinking, in a kind of significant manner. The pretty truly all-out exchanging volume generally remains at $32,247,487,270 in a fundamentally kind of large manner and in every way that really matters, huge way. Bitcoin shares 52.38% of the entry market, while Ethereum truly has a strength of 16.33% in a kind of significant manner, in a really significant manner. Which essentially truly brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $34,719.80 level after a decay of 0.25% in an especially enormous manner, or so they explicitly thought. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum especially in every practical sense, has seen a cost increment of 1.42%, coming to $1,833.55 during the past 24 hours in an especially truly significant manner, which in a real sense is very huge. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $235.21, following a value change of 2.51% inside a similar time span. Fundamentally kind of additional appearance, how the especially most certainly current exchanging volume of Bitcoin money sort of is at $97,623,378 in a by and large certainly significant manner, or so they explicitly thought. XRP, the very beautiful local coin of XRP, generally really is somewhere near 0.19. And as of now exchanging at 61 cents, showing that Bitcoin shares 52.38% of the entry market, while Ethereum for the most part has a strength of 16.33% in a significant manner, in a significant way. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, exhibiting how Bitcoin money generally especially has a medium-term opposition at $119.28 in a sort of extremely significant manner, which is genuinely critical. These occasions generally show that the market most certainly by and large is going in an actually most certainly descending course, for certainly sort of transient in an unpretentious manner, which in every practical sense is very critical. As of now, a sort of beautiful genuinely bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, showing how moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, exhibiting how Bitcoin money in a real sense has a medium-term obstruction at $119.28 in an unobtrusive manner, which especially is very huge. Bitcoin money backing and opposition backing and obstruction especially generally are significant specialized markers used to generally most certainly distinguish pretty commonly key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path, so the very all-out exchanging volume fundamentally remains at $32,247,487,270 in an every way that really matters, most certainly large way. Support generally by and large is a level at which purchasers explicitly for the most part become sort of more especially dynamic and explicitly for the most part prevent the coin's cost from falling any essentially further in a kind of by and large enormous manner in opposition to mainstream thinking. Similarly, opposition especially generally is a level at which merchants for the most part fundamentally become move entirely dynamic and basically prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, essentially especially in spite of mainstream thinking, kind of in spite of prevalent thinking. Following truly generally are the help and opposition levels of Bitcoin money, BCH, Bitcoin money execution. The kind of current Bitcoin money cost in a real sense, sort of is $236.93, with an exchanging volume of $97,623,378 in the precise beyond 24 hours, truly beautiful in spite of prevalent thinking. At present, BCH vary the most part is somewhere near 0.57% since yesterday, with a market capitalization of $4,631,901,811 United States dollars, which generally is genuinely huge, which is genuinely critical. Bitcoin Money Value Examination BCH Cost Investigation for 04 November 2023. Inside an actually certainly everyday time period fundamentally generally made sense of beneath, so Bitcoin money backing and opposition backing and obstruction actually truly are significant specialized markers used to all things considered. Especially recognize kind of fundamentally key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path, so the actually genuinely all-out exchanging volume basically remains at $32,247,487,270, which especially is genuinely huge, which for the most part is genuinely critical. We utilize sort of relative strength INDEX RSI, moving genuinely beautiful normal union and dissimilarity, MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels. Different time span moving midpoints including pretty truly straightforward moving fundamentally especially normal, SMA, and dramatic moving kind of truly normal, EMA, to explicitly break down the future development of the Bitcoin money in an exceptionally enormous manner, or so they thought. While BCH's Williams percent R pointer actually explicitly is at 60.321 for the 14-day time span, showing a nonpartisan condition. A exchange in every practical sense, kind of sign especially sort of is genuinely conceivable at this reach, showing how XRP the by and large certainly local coin of XRP, essentially sort of is somewhere near 0.19 and at present exchanging at 61 cents. Exhibiting that Bitcoin shares 52.38% of the entry market, while Ethereum generally has a predominance of 16.33% in an unobtrusive manner, or so they really thought. The actually genuinely relative strength file, RSI, demonstrates that the BCH coin for the most part is in oversold stage, as RSI in a real sense certainly is at 25, which sort of for the most part